What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $100 per day uploading images online. Now, this is something that I showed you guys a year ago, maybe a little bit longer, but it's so effective. It still works. I'm still making money from this exact same strategy. However, I want to show you how to make it even easier so you can make more money. So let me show you exactly what it is I'm talking about. So what I'm going to show you how to do is just go and create designs over on Teespring, or my personal favorite is Merch by Amazon. Okay, if you don't know what these are simply it's kind of like print on demand. So Merch by Amazon, you create merchandise, create t-shirts, or put stuff on pillows or mugs or whatever. Okay, you do a lot of great stuff. I like Merch by Amazon. Okay, if you want to go sign up for that, you have to request invitation. But Teespring right here, you do not need to request any invitation. All you got to do is go sign up. Okay, go log on. Now here's the cool part about Teespring is you can make just about anything. Okay, look at these. This little guy holding a pencil, this cat wearing America glasses, batteries. I'm not sure what this is. Beer, as I'm guessing. Okay, but they got a lot of stuff. You can create phone cases. Okay, look down here, leggings. Okay, seriously, you can create just about anything doing this, all right? But that's not the hard part. You can create something and you can do fairly well, but the hard part is, how do you sell it? Now, in just a second, I'm going to show you how you go about selling these shirts, how you create a design, you put it on Teespring or Merch by Amazon, and how you get traffic to that page to actually sell the design. Now, I understand a lot of you guys probably don't have the experience or the know-how to create a hot selling design. So let me give you a tip, okay? Let me give you this tip. There's a website out there called Fiverr.com, okay? If you go to Fiverr.com and type in, let's say, t-shirt design, look at this. I will design custom amazing t-shirt starting at $35. Okay, now most of these are going to be anywhere between probably $10 to $15. Sometimes you can get them down to $5 per shirt. But if you don't know how to design anything, you're not good with Photoshop or any other software, I'd recommend you pay somebody to do the design for you. For example, let's find one. I will design an awesome t-shirt. 5-star rating, 34 reviews, okay, starting at $5. Cool, that's the guy I want. Okay, click on him, let's go see. Okay, so it has a PNG and mockup files included. Got one initial concept, high resolution, 6 revisions, which is key. You want the revisions, and 3 days delivery time. Okay, cool. Starting at $5. Buy it. Yep. So let's say I want something. Look at that. Sky's the limit. Positive energy leads perfection. I love my sister locks, I think is what that says. Giant's laboratory. Okay. So cool. It looks decent, right? Now here's what I want to show you, okay? If you don't know what kind of design to create, here's a tip for you guys. There's a website out there. It's called merchinformer.com. And what I like to do, we'll accept that. What I like to do is go to something called the Merch Research Tool, okay? And so let's say we type in coffee love aholic. Let's type in coffeeaholic and search for t-shirts, okay? So coffee lover, coffeeaholic, something like that, okay? Look at this. So these are all shirts that are currently on Amazon, okay? Coffee and Jesus, okay? I'm a coffeeaholic, on the road to recovery. Just kidding, I'm on the road to the coffee shop. Pretty cool, okay? More coffee t-shirts. Okay, these are just the keyword coffeeaholic. Now, here's how you sell it, okay? Because all you really need is just one sale. The hardest sale to get is really that first one. Once that one shirt sells, and it sells based on the keywords that you put inside the title, maybe a little bit with the descriptions or the tags that you put with it, but the key here is to get that first sale, okay? Let me show you this, because most people don't know this. Over on Pinterest, go to pinterest.com. The nice thing about this is people are looking at this stuff and they're pretty much just looking at images. That's it. I'm going to type in coffeeaholic. Okay. Coffeeaholic right there. Let's just see, because we want to find a shirt. Okay, look at that. Okay, I'm a coffeeaholic on the road. The exact same one we just saw right here. Okay, pretty much the exact same shirt or same quote. I'm a coffeeaholic on the road to recovery. Just kidding. I'm on the road to the coffee shop. We open that up, and guess what? Guess where that goes? That goes to teespring.com right here, where you can buy the shirt for $21.99. Okay, now that campaign ended. Okay, but we could be, that was limited edition coffee tee, 7 days only. If they would have left that open, or if they would have sent it to Amazon, that shirt could still be making them money, because I just went to Coffeeaholic right here in Pinterest. Okay, Wi-Fi coffee, my bed perfection. That's on Instagram. It's on Etsy. It's on Ktawa, Instagram. Viper's Coffee. Okay, all we're gonna T-Jeep, T-shirt tap. Okay, you get the idea. Okay, there's a lot here. Now, that's just for coffee. Okay, what if we typed in Mama Bear? Just type in Mama Bear. See if anything pops up. Silhouette designs, Etsy, must have mom. Okay, this one's Facebook. Okay, all I'm doing is typing in that's Etsy. Let's see if we find anything from like Teespring. Loved by Hannah. Okay, Etsy. Let's see, Keurig. Okay, we can keep going down, keep going further and further. But all I'm trying to show you guys is all you have to do is once you get the thing, once you get the design, okay? Coffeeaholic. Type that back in, because look how simple this is, okay? All the person did was did a screenshot of the shirt, okay? So took the screenshot right there of the middle of the shirt, okay? That was their picture. This is done by Teespring, okay? 108,000 followers here on Pinterest. But the key here is all they did was took that picture, stuck it on there, and just did a little information right here. Discover limited edition coffee 7 days only t-shirt, a custom product made just for you by Teespring with world-class production and customer support. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. Go grab me a coffee, back it up for $5, and okay. See that? That's all you gotta do. It's all you have to do to get some sales. And it's that simple, okay? But the key, you need to put something up over on Teespring or Merch by Amazon. That's the first thing, okay? In order to do that, maybe you don't know how to create a design. No problem. Go hire somebody for $5, only $5 to create a design for you, okay? It's that simple. Now I say it's that simple to create a design because it is. You pay $5, that's it. You sell one shirt on Teespring or one shirt on Merch by Amazon and you make your money back. So really, what's the risk? $5? You pay, let's say $5 for a cup of coffee at Starbucks. Today or tomorrow, don't go to Starbucks. Go hire somebody over on Fiverr. It doesn't have to be the person I showed you. It can be anybody, okay? See, make sure that they can create something that you actually like and that you have a little bit of input, and explain to them what it is you're looking for. Maybe put a quote, maybe a simple design, something very basic. Quotes do extremely well. I'm not a designer, okay? I hire somebody, he creates the designs, then I take that design and I put different quotes around it. That simple. I take that one design and I make 10 different designs off of it because I changed the quote, but I use the same design, such as a coffee cup. And I change the quote saying, coffee is my, Everest, or coffee is heaven, or coffee is my, Fridays. I don't know. Okay, I'm not great at coming up with these on the spot, but you get the idea. It's that simple, okay? $5. $5 is all it takes, okay, to start your online business where you're creating, or you're actually paying somebody to create a design for you. You take their design, you upload it to Teespring or on Merch by Amazon or wherever you want to, your favorite print-on-demand site. You upload it there, and then you take that screenshot, you take that image of the shirt, and you post it over on Pinterest. And then as long as you're using decent keywords such as coffeeholic, Maybe not alcoholic, but coffeeholic, vacation-holic, something like that, okay? Where, and it doesn't have to be whatever a holic, okay? I know that has a bad connotation to it, but you get the point. Make something that's interesting, that has a little bit of intrigue to it, where people want to click on that. Be like, hey, what is that? Oh, it's a shirt. It's a shirt, and I just love wine. I'm a wineaholic. Okay, great. I'm a wino, so I'm gonna buy that. Or I know my sister loves that, so I'm gonna go and buy that for her. Okay, I need that. So they buy it, they get it, send it off to their sister, or their friend, or their best friend, or their husband or wife or whoever. They love it too. But all you gotta do is get that sale, get that first sale, and I guarantee you, you're gonna start seeing sales coming in. In addition to that, once you get that first sale and you prove that this does work, okay, I've proven it to myself that this does work, but you need to prove it to yourself. Okay, don't take my word for it. Take $5 or design your own shirt. Put it on Teespring or Merch by Amazon. Put up the thing over on Pinterest. Put up the picture on Pinterest. Do it multiple times. Do it every single day. For the first week or two, every single day, you'll talk about different things. Coffeeaholic. I love coffee. Is this better than Starbucks? Whatever it is. You be creative. That's what you can do. All right. So if you guys have any questions on how to be creative, how to come up with designs, where to go, Fiverr. Okay. How much to sell your shirt for? Okay. I'd recommend about $19.99 or higher. Between $19.99 to $22.99 is my sweet spot. I'd start there. You can start selling some shirts, start making some money, and it won't be long before you're making $100 per day just by uploading images here online. So again, it's not that difficult. You can make over $5 per sale. Per sale. That means you only need 20 sales in a day to make over $100. Now, let me just end this by saying, are you going to make $100 today? No, you're probably not. Could you? Yes, you could, because Pinterest is a very popular site. And if you do target the right keyword, you do hit it and it goes viral, that post that you do goes viral, it will make you $100 per day. Maybe even $1,000 in that day. But is that long term? Is that going to be sustainable? No. You're not going to make $1,000 every single day unless you have, maybe a couple hundred different shirt designs, different images, different posts, something goes viral. That's where it's going to peak. So again, if you guys have any questions, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.